You know the production number of juices, orange juices. Here we'll talk about the truly industrial production. These are full industrial machines. Everything you see works automatically. That the machine has become automatic. Here it's around 8,000 bottles per hour. So 8,000 bottles of orange juice produced per hour. We will show you the steps and you need to follow to install a plant of this large capacity at your place in Africa. For your information, the ones you are looking at are in Guinea-Conakry. This factory is already working and we will show you the suppliers and how you can pay for our machines and install them at your place in Africa. Stay tuned and above all subscribe. Thank you. The oranges. Why oranges? Because in Africa we have plenty of them. That's why we're going to turn these oranges into 100% natural orange juice to make big profits. To start, I invite you to subscribe to invest with us and click on the arrow to click it. YouTube will notify you next time they post another video. We release our videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday discussing street industrialization. Today, we'll pick a topic on how we should come together to raise funds and build an orange juice processing industry. From orange fruits into natural orange juice. How can we do it even if we don't have the capital? We can come together as a team and raise the capital. From banks or investors, that piece watches over him. Still, a huge production of oranges that ends up on the board in the markets. Sometimes it's orange and rotten, and that's because there's no consumption. Thus, with a very good business plan, with the support of friends and others, you can pick up your key to finally invest in this industry. And if you want to come along with me in the air,
still displaying me. Make a
we
decision.
will help you create a business plan and also assist you in presenting these business plans to banks and investors who can help you. E sino sempre pontjike question pour deixer
Industry
automatic, then an industry that transforms oranges into fruit materials. So, how does this industry work? You have the machine called the blue emulsion. This machine will blow the bottles and you'll see that it's directly connected to this human. The machine is automatic. There's no one serving there. It's the applicants who go into that first machine, as you've clearly seen, and blow the bottles and send them through these tunnels, which is called, so here is this machine called the filling machine. That's the filling machine. This machine has 3 steps. The first step is to clean the bunches. Second step is to fill the bunches. And the third step, that's the last step, is to put the corks on the bottles when we take a lot of weight. Machines are experiencing a syndrome internally, and then the filled and corked bottles will go through this tunnel for. Take the book on business selling from Barnsley Ticket. As you see the blue barrels at the corner of the factories, those are barrels of natural juice. So it depends on the tools you want to transform. From yes, well, paying for natural juice tournaments, if even better, I said. And take from those tournaments, those juices that come from the different farms. You only take these juices, you put them in pasteurizations. Who are the fish on the left you see in silver, who will pasteurize the juices to give them a year's shelf life. So, I skipped a step. I didn't actually jump, but it went a bit fast. There are more steps to ticket placement. And the last step here that you're going to take.
What else to do.
I was only sitting in bed for a few minutes. So we have 8, we have 6 meters, 12 meters. The Auto Master 4, it's not just up to you. So here, the packaging was automatic. There are only employees there to collect. But if the packaging is done at the bank, here, it's just a relationship. you can come here, buy our machines. So it's good that you pay for the machines here. It is truly ideal for a business as challenging as it may be. The company that can also help you get rid of it. So here, the machines that can be stuck with. How? Someone who takes care of them. These are natural juice machines. Here we can produce 1 ton per day. Spani le opanshi mix. And we can make other releases right after we play tomorrow. Here is the pasteurization step. The juices that are put on the packaging, those juices over a period of time, 1 to 2 years of shelf life. So is a state of pasteurization that is very important. That's why we will really I've decided to show you this video of pasteurization. There are engines that heat up, not sterilize the top and sterilize the top. This is the sterilization system we're looking at. That will help the eyes to be focused. Thank you for following me to hear me out. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. We will see who or how to contact, and the commissioners, we will guide and help you. We will explain that these machines will be sent to Africa, and we will come to install these machines and also provide your jobs. And they are doing well over there. That, a star, as I was saying, or orange juices, almond juices, alabaster juices, it depends if you want. There's an area that will start dancing there. You have to take the balls to the field and wash the balls, remove the skin, and then blend them. And what do others do? They buy water. The symbol is the rigor of the dog, which are already very well placed on the tendon, on the face. So 100% natural juices, and you put it in pasteurization, sterilization, finally, maybe in the packaging, in the bottles, and the packaging and the sales, but well, it depends not. Even more processing systems, we will handle the user actions to have a truly finished product. And it's important to have all the tools set from the start. So really, it's an industry that really goes a lot into employment. Why? Because next we'll have fruits. We're moving on to processing these fruits. And the transformation will come. The population in Africa really needs to work fully and regularly to develop the industrial sectors in Africa. That's what we are lacking. The industrial sector is really very important, because with the industrial sector, you can go much further. No more interest in this factory. You may have joined it in case of employment. The most included, the drivers and the characters. The characters who are interested in the project. So it's really very good, and as I said, it really requires some time exercise. For example, see you tonight. Good night. If you'd like more salt, it's not at $100,000 for 8 minutes of theme. So like that, you can worry about them. We also have consumption lines for semis, industries, machines, etc. We need to find it without you. Subscribe to the company and don't remove anything. This chain is the first industrial chain. So the reason he talks about the industry is because we just discussed it. Industrial transformation for good. So support the chain when you watch this video, and also don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to not miss any of my videos. To get details on the machines, how they work, how much they might cost, even to your home in Africa, we will always help you with these details. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Thank you.